Are you looking to make your company more profitable? If so, this video can help you learn 5 tips that can help you achieve your company goal. From improving your customer service to cutting costs, these tips will help you boost your bottom line. Number 1, evaluate your pricing strategy. If you want to make your company more profitable, it's important to evaluate your pricing strategy. Are you charging too much or too little for your products and services? Are your prices in line with what your competition are charging? Answering these questions can be difficult, but it's important to get an accurate picture of your pricing strategy. Once you have a good understanding of your pricing, you can make adjustments to ensure that you're maximizing your profits. Number 2, reduce expenses. One of the best ways to make your company more profitable is to reduce expenses. There are a number of ways to do this. One way is to negotiate better terms with your suppliers. Another way is to cut back on unnecessary spending, such as eliminating unnecessary travel or office expenses. Another way to reduce expenses is to streamline your operations. This could involve automating certain tasks or processes, or simply making your operations more efficient. This could lead to significant cost savings over time. Number 3, increase productivity. There are a number of ways to increase productivity in your company. One way is to invest in employee training. This can help employees to be more efficient and effective in their roles. Another way is to increase productivity is to invest in new technology and equipment. This can help employees to work more quickly and efficiently. Finally, you can also try and streamline your company's processes. Number 4, invest in marketing. Marketing is one of the most important investments you can make for your business. It is the process of creating awareness and interest in your products or services. A good marketing strategy will help you to reach more customers and sell more products or services. Marketing can be done through various channels such as television, radio, print, and online. And number 5, hire the right people. Hiring the right people is one of the most important things you can do to make your company more profitable. The right employees will be dedicated to their work and will be able to contribute to the success of the company. They will also be less likely to take time off, which can save the company money. As the world progresses, the business landscape changes with it. To stay ahead of the curve and ensure your company is as profitable as possible, consider implementing some of these tips. From automating processes to outsourcing tasks, there are a number of ways to make your company more efficient and increase your bottom line. What are you waiting for? Get started today and see how much more profitable your company can be.